How to troubleshoot error code 027-779, 016-781, 017-714, 017-766 in Microsoft Exchange Online for Office 365 settings. Administrator consent on Microsoft Entra ID. To use the email address of Exchange Online, you need to consent in advance to the following actions that the machine takes. Consulting users' basic information such as email addresses. Accessing users' emails. Note: the administrator's consent does not need to obtain more than once for the same tenant. When using the email address of Outlook.com, this action is not needed. For Microsoft Entra ID, refer to the official website of Microsoft. Enter the following URL into the address box on the browser, and then press the Enter key. Log in as a global administrator. The consent screen for the authority is displayed. Confirm the contents and click Accept. Close the browser after the consent success screen is displayed. This is the Internet Services page. For details on how to access the Internet Services page, click the link in the video description. First, select the Apps tab, then select Email, select Common Settings. Click From field. Disable the setting of Use email address of logged-in user. Then, set Disable for Edit from field. Click Save. Note: unless these settings are made, Send as Denied may result when sending an email. However, when using an address that was set up for proxy transmission in the email app, it is not necessary to disable Edit from field. Next step is to log in as an administrator. Click Network. Then select Protocols and select SMTP. Click Service Provider and select Exchange Online/Outlook.com. Click Save. Take note of the authentication code. Click Next. Enter the code that was provided, then sign in with the account set up with the email address for sending. Note: the email address for the signed-in account will be set as the device email address. Important note: it is required that the user principal name of the signed-in account be the same as the device email address. After a sign-in, from the Device Details dialog box of Internet Services or from the control panel of the machine, do not change the device email address to a string different from the UPN of the signed-in account. An authentication error results if changed.